Good morning. We are on Juicy Cruise. We are headed around Milford Sound to see some of the waterfalls. Apparently it's a good thing that the weather is absolutely awful. That means more waterfalls. Well, we're finished. The cruise is over. The Milford Sound has been seen.
We are soaking wet from a waterfall.
We're pretty wet. The good news is the sun came out. Luckily, we got to see most of the good spots with a clear sky, and now it's back on the road. It is our last day road tripping the South Island. We are in Christchurch where we're going to fly out today. But before we do, we decided to come over here to
Adrenaline Forest.
Adrenaline Forest. So it's supposed to be all sorts of high wire sort of fun activities. So you may or may not have been able to tell, but it's a little bit windy out here at the Adrenaline Forest. So windy, in fact, that they have to close up for the day. So Megan and I got one course done out of 8. So it wasn't much, but it was a good time anyway. But here's a little view of what the trees look like. So yeah, maybe just a little bit too windy for the activities today. Now that our Adrenaline Forest little adventure was cut short, we have made our way over to
Margaret Mayhew Family Park, or something like that.
Which is a big old family park, but we were told by the people at the Adrenaline Forest that it's actually pretty good for adults who like playing on parks too. And we were also told there's good gelato nearby. It's huge, huh, Z?
It's awesome.
It's like we never left the adventure thing. I don't see many other adults.
Woo!
Whee!
Go!
That's a big swing. We still have more time, so we're gonna mini golf it up.
Get set.
Oh! All right, 2 holes in. Where are we at?
Tie game.
Tie game.
Can you believe it?
Wow. 7 holes in. What's the score?
I'm losing.
She's losing.
By 3.
By 3. I'm just too good. You go, Megan.
I won.
Happy face. She won
By
1. It is 1:10. We've successfully wasted a couple hours. Well, not wasted. Used a couple hours. Had some fun here in Christchurch. Dropped the car off by 2. Flight by 3. And
Home
headed
by
back to our 3rd home. It's 2:35. Made it through security. Now all we have to do is board the plane right there. And then we're good to go. Back in Auckland. Our 2 weeks of traveling is now officially over. So it's time to catch a shuttle, get back to campus, and then
Get ready for school
dive
tomorrow.
right back into class tomorrow. But it was a good time, and we hope you guys enjoyed following along.